Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottagecore inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage cottagecore inspired home decorating is a cozy, nostalgic interior style that combines the romance of countryside living with the timeless charm of vintage decor. It creates a home that feels warm, peaceful, and lived-in, using antique-inspired furniture, soft colors, floral patterns, and natural materials, and handmade details. The goal is to make every room feel welcoming, comfortable, and connected to nature. Vintage cottagecore is less about perfection and more about creating a beautiful home, filled with character, comfort, and cherished treasures that tell a story. Here are more details about vintage cottagecore inspired home decorating. First, celebrate the beauty of ease. Vintage cottagecore embraces furniture and decor that show character through gently owned finishes, natural patina, and handmade details. Instead of replacing older items, restore and appreciate their unique history. Next, create a solo living atmosphere. This style is inspired by a slower, more intentional lifestyle. Arrange cozy reading corners, display favorite books, brew tea in beautiful teapots, and decorate with meaningful objects that encourage relaxation. Mix vintage finds with everyday comfort. A vintage cottagecore home does not have to look like a museum. Pair antique dressers with comfortable sofa, vintage mirrors with modern lighting, or old wooden tables with practical dining chairs for a balanced look. Add layers of soft textures. Combine lace curtains, linen tablecloths, cotton coils, knitted throws, velvet cushions, and oven rugs. Layering different textures makes rooms feel warm and inviting. Decorate with nature in every room. Bring the outdoors inside through fresh flowers, dried herbs, potted plants, botanical artwork, wooden bowls, wicker baskets, and natural branches. Seasonal greenery keeps the home feeling fresh all year. Display meaningful collections. Showcase collections of vintage teacups, ceramic pictures, old books, glass bottles, antique frames, or embroidered linens. Group similar items together to create charming displays without overwhelming the space. Use timeless patterns. Floral prints are the signature pattern, but gingham, plaid, tiny checks, tulle, and delicate stripes also fit beautifully. Mixing these classic patterns create depth while maintaining a cozy cottage feel. Let every room tell a story, rather than decorating only for appearance. Choose pieces with memories or history. Use family heirlooms, flower market treasures, handmade crafts, and thrifted find. Give your home a personal, lived-in charm. Keep the home bright and airy. Open curtains during the day to let in natural light. Light-filled rooms enhance the soft colors and vintage details, making the space feel fresh, peaceful, and welcoming. Focus on comfort over perfection. Vintage cottagecore is not about perfectly matching furniture or flawless styling. Slight imperfection, handmade details, and a mix of old and new create a home that feels authentic, warm, and full of personality. Choose furniture with curved silhouettes. Furniture with rounded edged, charmed legs, curved details, and graceful curves creates a softer, more romantic atmosphere than modern, boxy designs. These elegant shapes add timeless charm to every room. Embrace handmade craftsmanship. Handmade items such as crochet blankets, embroidered pillowcases, knitted throws, oven baskets, and hand-drawn pottery add warmth and individuality. These personal touches are at the heart of the cottagecore lifestyle. Use vintage-inspired wall decor. Decorate walls with botanical illustrations, pressed flowers, antique mirrors, landscape paintings, vintage clocks, or family photographs. Industries wooden or ornate gold frames to create a sense of history. Stand open shelves thoughtfully instead of hiding everything in cabinets. Display everyday items like ceramic plates, teacups, glass jars, cookbooks, wooden cutting boards, and small plants. Beautifully arranged practical items become part of the decor. Add warm metallic accents. Incorporate brass, copper, and edged bronze to candle holders, cabinet knobs, kitchen utensils, picture frames, all light fixtures. These metals develop a lovely patina over time, enhancing the windows' character. Make the kitchen the heart of the home. A Vintage Cottagecore kitchen should feel welcoming and lived-in. Display fresh bread, fruit bowl, floral tea towels, vintage skills, ceramic canisters, and wooden utensils to create a cozy gathering space. Decorate with seasonal touches. Refresh your home throughout the year using natural decorations like spring flowers, summer wildflowers, autumn pumpkins, and dried leaves. Or winter pine branches help your home stay connected to the changing seasons. Create cozy corners. Design small, inviting spaces with a comfortable chair, a soft blanket, a side table, a reading lamp, and a stack of favorite books. These peaceful nooks encourage relaxation and quiet moments. Use soft, layered fragrances. Enhance the atmosphere with subtle scents like lavender, rose, vanilla, fresh linen, or cedarwood through candles, dried herbs, or natural potpourri. Gentle fragrances complete the cozy cottage experience. Build a home that evolves naturally. Vintage Cottagecore is about collecting pieces over time rather than decorating all at once. Each antique find, handmade craft, or treasured heirloom adds another layer of warmth, history, and personality, making your home feel truly unique and deeply lived in. Layered vintage textiles use multiple layers of cords, lace runners, crochet blankets, embroidered pillowcases, and soft linen curtains. Layering adds depth, comfort, and a cozy lived-in feeling. Decorate with books. Old hardcover books with faded covers make beautiful decorative accents. Stack them on coffee tables, shelves, bedside tables, or windowsills to create a timeless intellectual charm. Bring the garden indoors. Display fresh cut flowers, dried hydrangeas, herbs in terracotta pots, or climbing effect. Nature is one of the defining elements of the cottagecore aesthetic. Mix different wood tones instead of matching every piece of furniture. Combine light oak, warm pine, walnut, and stress painted oak. The variety makes the home feel collected over generations. Highlight vintage table setting. Dress your dining table with floral china, embroidered napkins, crystal glasses, silverware, and a simple bouquet of seasonal flowers for an elegant everyday look. Create a welcoming entryway. Place a wooden bench, woven baskets for shoes, a vintage mirror, and a small vase of flowers near the entrance to make guests feel at home from the moment they arrive. Let fabrics move naturally. Choose lightweight linen or cotton curtains that gently sway with the breeze. The simple detail adds softness and a relaxed countryside atmosphere. Display everyday treasures. Don't hide beautiful kitchenware or heirlooms. Use vintage teapots, ceramic bowls, enamel pictures, and oven trays can serve as both practical items and decorative features. Keep decoration simple. Avoid overcrowding your rooms. Leave some open space between decorative pieces so each item can be appreciated, creating a calm and balanced environment. Create a home with heart. The sense of Vintage Cottagecore is making your home feel loved and lived in. Fill it with meaningful objects, natural beauty, handmade crafts, and comfortable spaces that encourage slowing down, gathering with family, and enjoying everyday moments. Create a collected over time look. Rather than buying everything at once, slowly gather pieces from flower markets, antique shops, cheap stores, and family heirlooms. A gradual connection gives your home a genuine sense of history. Use decorative storage, choose oven baskets, wooden crates, vintage trunks, enamel buckets, and ceramic crocks for storage. These pieces keep your home organized while adding rustic charm. Showcase handcrafted pottery. Display handmade mugs, bowls, pitchers, and vases on open shelves or dining tables. Their imperfect shapes and architectures add warmth and authenticity. Make windows a feature. Dress windows with lace cuttings, linen chops, or floral valances. Add small potted herbs or fresh flowers on the windowsill to connect their indoors with the garden outside. Incorporate soft botanical motifs. Use botanical prints on wallpaper, artwork, fabrics, or cushions. Leaves, wildflowers, frames, and delicate vines reinforce the close relationship between cottagecore and nature. Add comfortable setting. Create inviting spaces with upholstered armchairs, rocking chairs, on-top benches, or wooden dining chairs topped with soft cushions and throws for everyday comfort. Blend elegance with simplicity. Mix refined details like crystal vases, lace linens, or antique mirrors with humble natural elements such as wicker baskets, wooden tools, and fresh greenery. This balance keeps the home charming rather than formal. Choose timeless decorative pieces. Invest in classic items that never go out of style, such as grandfather clocks, vintage lanterns, brass candlesticks, porcelain figurines, or framed countryside landscapes. Let your home reflect your story. The true beauty of Vintage Cottagecore lies in its personal touch. Fill your home with cherished photographs, handmade crafts, treasured antiques, travel keepsakes, and family heirlooms, so every room feels meaningful, welcoming, and uniquely yours. Create a cozy tea corner. Dedicate a small space to a vintage teapot, floral teacups, wooden tray, and glass jars filled with tea. A charming tea corner adds warmth and encourages solo, relaxing moments. Decorate with time-worn finishes. Look for furniture and decor with gently edged paint, natural wood grain, or antique brass. These own finishes bring character and make a home feel comfortably lived in. Use soft, rounded shapes. Choose oval mirror, round tables, curved headboards, and arched shelves. Rounded shapes soften the room and create a welcoming, peaceful atmosphere. Add layers to your bed. Dress the bed with crisp cotton sheets, floral quilts, crocheted blankets, embroidered pillows, and a soft knitted throw. Layering creates a luxurious yet cozy cottage look. Keep everyday items beautiful. Select practical pieces that are also attractive, such as ceramic soap dispensers, wooden brushes, linen towels, and glass storage jars. Even functional objects contribute to the overall style. Display fresh seasonal product. Fill wooden bowls or oven baskets with apples, pears, lemons, or fresh herbs. The simple natural displays add color, texture, and farmhouse inspired touch. Include gentle floral scents. Please try lavender, roses, chamomile, or eucalyptus around your home. Their subtle fragrance enhances the calm, nostalgic feeling without being overpowering. Balance decorative and empty space. Not every shelf or tabletop needs decoration. Leaving some open space allows treasured vintage pieces to stand out and keeps the home feeling light and uncluttered. Focus on timeless beauty. Vintage cottagecore is not driven by trends. It celebrates quality craftsmanship, natural materials, meaningful collections, and comfortable living, creating a home that feels inviting and beautiful year after year. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me.